I need to come up here and sort my clothes. I don't want to put it away, but I've got to sort through this. Look at all this, and then look at this. Yeah, I know. I need to sort it. It's a mess. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so tired. So I'm just about to organise my makeup drawers because they're a mess, and I am gonna completely chuck out anything I don't use, put it into a pile for you guys like a giveaway or whatever. Because I'm going to be moving, Liam's going to do it for me, I'm going to move this Alex drawers into my bedroom to get Olivia's bedroom ready, because she's 1 soon and I want to get it ready and I want all of my stuff out. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know, where do you think? It's probably not going to
sit right, you know, because the walls are riffled.
Okay, hang on. So wait, the drawers are going there. So yeah, do you want it above the drawers? This drawer, or do you want it above the cot?
But it's got things there.
It would be nicer above the cot, I think. But preferably in the middle, yeah, in the middle, like that.
Up there.
Yeah.
But then there's things for photos here, look.
Yeah, I know that, but...
Oh, but that's only the...
We can always have photos next to them.
Yeah.
You want it there, yeah?
Well, that's where you want it. That's where I'm going to put it.
Well, her cot's going there, so what do you think? No, the drawers are going here, aren't they? Under this shelf here. So we'll have it... Where do you want it? There or there? There, yeah? Okay. You're a mean one. You really are a man. I've just put these out. I'm not finished, obviously, but I'll show you guys the end reveal. But I've put a little newborn booties that she actually never got to wear because we just didn't go out anywhere. So they're going to go there. And then we've got a little money box here, which I can't remember who bought us that. I think Liam's nan or something. And then here I've just put her keepsake box and a little bunny, photo of little Liv bum. And then we got this from Depop. It says Olivia Jane and then her birthday. I think it's really, really pretty and she'll love that. And then this is a little penguin that we got her way back when she was first born to help her sleep. And then I don't know where this is going to go. Is it going to go in the bedroom?
I don't know, Mel, but this is really, really awkward.
And then this is a cushion that we got from the range for her. Is it... Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help?
Well, it would be nice to get some.
Yeah, little darling sticker. No bubbles.
Oh, there's a bump there, look, on the wall.
It's alright, don't worry. Look at our little presents up there that we've got to wrap. Hey Dougie and Bing, straight. We've turned it around so she can't see it.
Yeah, it looks straight, doesn't it? It's just the stars at the
pretty.
bottom.
It's very pretty. Guys, we're not going to paint. By the way, I did want to paint, but we're renting and I just feel like a cream, you know, this kind of whitey cream look is fine for her. Because when she gets older, it's not going to fall off, and it's not going to fall off.
Because the wall's quite riffly.
Believe me, it won't fall off. They're not made to fall off like that. It shouldn't fall off at all. I'm not really going to decorate, but what I might do is ask the landlord if we can remove this and put a nice little border with, like, I don't know, some sort of girly thing like Hey Dougie or whatever. What do you think, Liam? I think we should ask him if we can take this border off, because no offence, but it's hideous. And also we want to get her a little lampshade.
We could always put
her
border over that one, so then when we come to move, we just take her one off.
Yeah, but we'd have to find one the exact same size.
Well, they usually are, don't they?
But you know the lampshade, that one, we'll just get her a nice one, yeah? There
was all a big mistake. Never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends. I forgot that we had plans. Saw the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up.
Pretty much done. Brushes, I've put everything that I tend to use like when I film or every day. So lip liners and lipsticks. More lipsticks, all Gerard Cosmetics, I love them. Foundations that I tend to use daily, like different shades when I'm tanned. Highlight, my favourite lipstick, Velvet Teddy highlight. Blusher, bronzer, my beauty blenders are in here. And then this massive beauty blender I got for Christmas once. I think it's like a body blender. My perfume. And then, this is not organised. So this is not an organised situation here. I need to get some dividers or something so I can put everything in everything. But basically this whole first drawer is what I use, skincare and makeup and all that. And then palettes are in here, and then my mirror that I love, so like all my palettes are in here. It really needs organising. Oh, this is my skincare thing. Honestly, it's a mess. This drawer's broken, and then in this drawer it's just junk. I just need to get some dividers, but I'm pretty happy with the progress. So I need to sort out that up there. That's a PR package. I just keep the boxes because I like them. But I need to sort all that out as well.